video. My name is Harshal and this is Digital System Design Lab experiment number 1, verification of logic gates. This experiment is about to verify the truth table of AND or NOR, NAND, NOT and XOR gates. So the first gate, that is of AND gate. The AND gate has two or more inputs in a single output. Its operation is of multiplication. So this AND gate multiplies the truth table, and the truth table is of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. When we multiply this A and B, this both input in a single output, we get this result, that is of 0 into 0. When we check in cases, we can see in case 1 A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. Then when we multiply this to 0 into 0, that is the output will come 0. And in case 2, when we take input of 0 and 1, we will get the output of 0. And in case 3, when we give input of 1 and 0, when we multiply 1 and 0, we get output of 0. And in case 4, the A is 1 and B is 1, the both multiplication of 1 and 1, that is 1. When we see this truth table, we will get the output of 0 into 0, that is 0, 0 into 1, that is 0, 1 into 0, that is 0 and 1 into 1, that is 1. Now we will see the circuit diagram of logical diagram of this AND gate. When we give input of 0 into 0 and 0, 0 into 0, that is 0. Here we have not got the output here. Again we try input 0 and 1, 0 into 1, that is 0. Here again we have not got the output. Again 1 and 0, we got the output, that is bulb is not, LED is not blinking here. Again when we give 1 and 1, it here it is blinking, because 1 into 1, that is 1. Here the LED will glow the light. So here this is about the AND gate. Afterwards it afterwards the gate is of NAND gate. NAND gate is also known as universal gate. NAND is a combination of NOR, NOT and NAND has one input. And when we use this input, here is the bubble. When the output will come, it will come in inverted, because 0 into 0, that is that here it will come 1, 0 into 1, it will come 1, 1 into 1 into 0, it will come 1, and 1 in 1 1, it will come 0. Here we can see the complement of AND gate, that is that input is equal to 0, the output is high. Here when we see this gate of NAND gate, again here we check 0 into 0. Here the light, here the LED is blinking. Again 0 into 1, that is 1, 0 into 1. Still here the light is on. Again we check 1 into 0. 1 into 0. Still the light is on. Again when we check 1, 1, it will off the light. Here the light is off. So here this is the NAND gate. After that we see the OR gate. The OR gate has many more than one input, but only one output, because in OR gate here we add, because in OR gate the this sign stands for addition. Then when we try this in case 1, when we give input of 0 and 0, it will give us 0, 0 and 1, it will give us 1, 1 and 0, it will give us 1. For of case 4, 1 and 1, it will give us 1. Here we will see the OR gate. When we give here 0 0, it will not show the light on. When we give 0 and 1, here it is showing, because 0 plus 1, that is 1. After that when we give 1 and 0, it will show the light is on, because 1 and 0, that is 1. After that, 1 plus 1, it is showing light on, because 1 plus 1, that's 2. But we can check here, it is showing us the light is glowing on. Afterward, NOR gate. The NOR gate is of NOT and OR. Here we give two input and we get the one output, that is inverted, because in a NOR gate, the both of input are 0 and output is high. The bubble of output show the inversion after the OR operation. When in case 1 we give 0 and 0, it will show here 1. 0 and 1, it will show here 0. 1 and 0, it will show here 0. And 1 and 1, it will show here 0. Now we will see the circuit of NOR gate. This is NOR gate. Here it is showing 0 and 0, that is 1. Because 0 and 0, it is showing us light on. Here 0 and 0. 1. After that, we check the second case of 0 and 1. When I will give input here 0 and 1, the light will be off. Again I check 1 and 0, it is not showing us light, and when we try 1 and 1, again it is not showing us the light, because in NOR gate, it only give us one input of 1 and three inputs of 0. After that, the gate comes, that is of XOR, that is exclusive OR gate. It has two inputs and one single output, and when we check here, it will give us the same different output, that is of OR gate, because OR gate has a addition, and here it will also perform that same but in different order. Here in OR gate, in case XOR gate, in case 1, it is showing a 0 and 0, that is 0. In case 2, 0 and 1, that is 1. 1 and 0, that is 1, and 1 and 1, that is 0. Only these two cases, second and third case, it is showing 1 and 1. Here we will see the circuit of XOR gate. Here 0 and 0, it is showing us 0, because 0 and 0, it is here 0. Again 0 plus 1, it will show us 1. 0 plus 1, it will show us 1. Again 1 and 0, it will show the light is on. 1 and 0, 1 and 0, it will show the light is on, and when we give the input of 1 and 1, the light will be off. So this is the XOR gate. After that, we will see the NOT gate. The NOT gate is of complement of the input. If we give here 0, we will get here 1. If we give input 1, it will give us 0. So this is NOT gate. If here it is 1, the one's opposite, that is 0, means complement of 1, that is 0, and here when we give 0, it will give us complement of 1. So then the light will blink here. So this is the NOT gate. So this is the experiment 1, verification of logic gates. Thanks for watching.